Using QuickBooks for an auto repair shop can streamline invoicing, expense tracking, and customer management. Here's how to set it up. Set up products and services. Go to gear icon, products and services. Create categories for the services you offer and the parts you sell. Specify whether each item is non-inventory or inventory. Manage customer information. Go to Sales, Customers to enter your customers' details. You can also track their vehicles and service history through the Notes field. Create estimates and invoices. Use plus new estimate to create estimates for repair jobs. When the job is complete, convert the estimate into an invoice by selecting Convert to Invoice. For immediate services, go to plus new invoice to bill your customers directly. Track expenses and purchases. Use plus new expense or bill to enter the costs of parts, shop supplies, and other business expenses. Generate reports. Use reports like profit and loss and sales by customer summary to track profitability and customer trends, helping you manage your auto repair shop's finances efficiently.